In front of me is Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers of this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer and provide the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got it. So here you've got the whole device information. Tap on OK to go back. So this is the first way, and the second one is to open About Phone, and here go to All Specification. Then choose Status, and here you will be able to find both IMEI numbers, and under Model and Hardware you can check serial number as well right here. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.